Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about pound yen. Alright, so let's get started. This is the chart I made on the 5th. Pound yen. This is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I said if I'm right and if this is the wave 4, which is at 38%, we're gonna bounce from here and go for wave 5 all the way up here. But obviously it's not gonna happen in one day. You know, from here to here it's a lot of pippage. It's a long distance. If you can take for example here, let me show you what this pair is putting a daily range, then you understand what it is. Now this indicator tells you what is the daily average 60-day range of this pair. Means average movement and a daily movement, right? That's 121 pip, and previous day range, you know, once in a while it, you know, because of a big movement or something, so and that happens, but usually the average is 121. But yesterday it posted 198 pip from bottom to top. All right, and so far current day is 46. So that means what? If it is going to match yesterday's pippage, then 46 is gone from 200, then we still have 155 pip to go. And if you're looking at this average 121, then you still have 60-70 pip to go. So if you are in a trade, don't close right now, because it's gonna go for maybe 60-70 pip more, right? That's the idea about knowing the daily range. But don't expect that, you know, in one day. You can also understand that it's not going to travel 400 or 300 pip in one day unless something big happens, right? So and then you don't really need that much, you know. Even if you make 100 pip, think that you're lucky and then take the pippage and run, right? That's what I do. Yeah, so this is how you find the target and you hold your trade. Don't close too early. Now what happened to this and what did I do? So far we are here. You can see there is a big level here, 43.20 on a weekly chart. You'll see this weekly chart. This is 43.20 right here. So we are at this level, and break that and we're gonna go more higher, right? Forget about this because it was before, and now this things changed, and then I'm making this thing like where it go? Hold on. All right, so this chart based on the yen index chart, which was this. All right, so weekly chart I have it, but forget about that. It's just like this one, even 20-minute chart. So it's also Elliott wave counts 1, 2, 3 maybe, and 4, and then we need to go to the upside here. That's what I made the chart, 54.73. Then we're gonna be going to the upside here. So far what happened to this chart is, let me see if I have the chart. Did I make the chart or no? All right, so let me just find out where this chart is so that I can show you what happened to this chart so far. Today is 8. Okay, here, right? So instead of here, it was going up, but then Iran attack happened and all that, and then yen started getting strong for a little bit. It came down to 53.38, and then bouncing from here and again going to the upside. So all the yen pairs are again going to the upside. I mean, all the yen pairs. I'm long GJ right now, and CJ and AJ. I missed the entry in EJ, and there's another good one in a very big move in UJ, but I just missed it. So doesn't matter. 3 big trades right now happening, going on up. So yeah, so far yen index, see, now this one need to go there. It's a long distance, and yen index, it moves a little bit and the pair moves a lot. Something, that's the relationship between them. So we are going above 53.92, and after that this would be the target, and all the yen pairs gonna go fast to the upside. So now here again we go back and then take a look at the pound yen. yes, 43.20 goes, and the next target would be 44.95. Okay, very easy. So this is how it goes. And let me see my trades. The first one was this buy here on the 6th, right? That was around like 95 pip, forgot to write down. And then after that it rolls down here a little bit, and retracement, and then again I found an entry here, and then it went up again for another, see right there, before the first entry, and came second entry here, and it went to 65 pips, right? Not only that, but today so far the one it's still running is let me see if I can show you here. Yeah, this one. Okay, so it is still going right now. So far 70 pip. It's out of a 20-minute chart today, and it came down, and then after that again it will start to go up because of the yen index going up, right? So this will be going pretty far now. It is right here is for 143.12 I recorded, but like I said, it's 143.20 area, right? And if you break above that, then it's gonna go to 145. So I'm gonna be hoping for that, and I'm gonna hold this one. And also I have Aussie yen and CAD yen going on. I will make the chart later on and post it on the website and show you guys in my next video then. All right, so yes, pound yen all the way to the top, and strongly going to the upside. And this is the monthly chart. Well, I'm not going to explain that, it's just too much. But here, yes, 48.19, and these are the numbers. These are the numbers that I'm looking at. So we have a long distance to go from 43, and then maybe not, but it depends. See, the thing is that in the forex market, you need to learn something that it is on a daily basis. Fundies comes in, different fundies, different news schedules. Sometimes news is good, sometimes news is bad. Pound yen involve two currencies. If maybe yen is getting weaker, but what about pound is start getting more weaker than yen, then the pair is gonna drop that night, right? And all depends on the fundies. So you have to be aware of not only the technical analysis but the fundies, and then and the news and the world events, all around the world, what's happening, right? Like just Iran attack shook the market, and then everything was upside down. A lot of people lost a lot of money in oil and gold. They just opened the trade anticipating that this would happen. You have to have a system. You have to have a system to make an entry. For example, here, pound yen, you see this? I have the entry. I'm not gonna go long here because this is I'm below. This is bearish territory here. Yes, but this one, the yellow is above the black, indicates all the way up, down, and then the red candle turns into blue. I go long here, I go long here, I go long here, right? That is the, and then you can't go wrong if you have a system. And similarly, I am long right from here because this indicator is all the way down, and this yellow is above the black, and both black and yellow is above the red. So this is the system. And you follow the system, you cannot go wrong in either gold or silver or popcorn or whatever, right? Doesn't matter. You have to have a system, and then follow. And this system is Magic IB system. It's awesome. It really lets you make mistake if you follow the rules. It's awesome. So this is how it is. If you want to get the system and learn, then you can go on my website. I not only use a monthly subscription where you can attend my webinars twice a week, but also if you are fresh and newbie maybe and want to learn the whole business very fast, then I have a one-on-one coaching over the Skype course, and it's all about learning. So I'll personally get on the Skype, and 1 hour each session, 10 sessions, and you will learn almost every single thing about the forex has to offer, and harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, trend line, channel, this, that, blah blah blah, and how to take entries and how to use this Magic IB system with the alarm and everything. So you might want to consider that if you are, like I said, if you're a newbie and then you just starting the business. Without learning, it's very hard, almost impossible. So you must learn. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.